Hi, welcome back to Simply Saffron by Pooja Sil. Today I'm going to show you red velvet crinkle cookies with white chocolate chips. To start with, we are going to take 2 cups of flour. This is all-purpose flour, and in that we are going to add about 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1/4 teaspoonful of baking soda and 1 teaspoonful of baking powder, and then half a teaspoonful of salt. So we are going to mix them all together, and once this is mixed, we are going to take it and we are going to keep it aside and start with the wet ingredients. To start with the wet ingredients, we are taking half a cup of softened butter, and we are going to add half a cup of brown sugar. You can use light or dark, anything works. And then we are going to add 3/4 cup of white sugar, and then we are going to take a hand mixer and mix them together. Now once the sugar and the butter are mixed up, then we are going to add 2 eggs, one at a time. So first we are going to add 1 egg and then beat the mixture together. Then we are going to add the other egg and repeat the process. Now here the mixture has become light and fluffy, so we are going to add 1 teaspoonful of vanilla extract, and then we are going to add 1 teaspoonful apple cider vinegar. Now if you don't want to add apple cider vinegar, you can add lemon juice too. And then we are going to add one important ingredient, that is the red gel color. So I would prefer putting red gel color because for baking it's the best, but if you want you can add liquid red coloring too, but it just liquefies the batter a little bit, so I prefer the gel color. Now we are going to beat them together for a few minutes till the color is all mixed up. Now once the batter is all red color, we are going to add the dry ingredients, and we are going to add half of it at first, and then we are going to mix it together. Now scrape the sides of the bottom of the bowl with the spatula, and now we are going to add 1.5 tablespoon of milk. Now once mixed, we are going to add the rest of the dry ingredients. And mix with the hand beater. Once everything is mixed, we are going to scrape the sides with the spatula, and then we are going to add half a cup of white chocolate chips, and we are going to fold the chips in the batter. So now we are going to chill this in the fridge for about 2 to 4 hours, or you can keep it overnight too. Now we'll take out after 2 to 4 hours the cookie batter, and we are going to make some rounds between our 2 palms. And then we are going to roll it in the granulated sugar first, and then we are going to roll it in powdered sugar. So we are going to place this in the baking sheet in 2 inches apart. Now these makes about 30 to 32 cookies. So we are going to bake in 2 batches. So we are going to bake this at 350 degree Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. So our cookies are baked and we are going to cool this in the baking sheet for about 10 minutes. Then we are going to transfer to your cooling rack. And your red velvet crinkle cookies are done. Please do subscribe, like and comment on my channel Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal. Don't forget to push the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye.